Here we are again, and I thought we would do something a little bit more different. I'm just going to show the rear of the lagard pick when you're using the tool. I've had to set this up pretty close and faff about with it. It's not very easy with the table in the way, but I think we can. I've also, excuse my arm, remove the little guide pin. You can just make out the pick going in there, just through that little hole there. So first thing, we rotate the first wheel, which moves that rear disc. I believe they're all sort of cut the same, and then as we're rotating each wheel, you can hear it, and you can also see the wheel moving in the background. There is a little plastic piece that fits in there, but I've removed that just to try and give us a little bit more of a view. You can see there we've got the cut. And this isn't so much picking, more of a demonstration, because obviously I can see what the wheels are doing to an extent. But you can see the arm moving when it's going over the fault gates and that. Just going to get that somewhere close. We're on one of the rear discs, or front disc as it is. It's a bit of a awkward angle this. Can't quite see the rear discs. There you go, you saw the arm drop down then. And while the rear panel's off, it won't actually allow you to open the lock. This little spring is in the way, so we've got to depress that. That'll then allow us to open the lock. It will let you relock. So that's obviously a secondary protection in case somebody's managed to remove the rear panel for whatever reason, or whether it's there just for maintenance purposes. I'm not 100% sure. So push it in, there we go. And then you can't actually turn any of the discs while it's in the open position, so you have to rotate the open close wheel. As you do that, it'll move that round. Once that's lifted up, you can then set all the wheels back to 0. And then everything should be lined up. You should just be able to remove the pick, and then we'll get the key, the key in. I'm just going to drop the spring down. There you go, and that's how it works with the key. However, what I have noticed as well, another way that this works, if you start from the beginning, it will drop down and open. If you were to turn it, say, halfway, and then go to try and open it again, it's actually worked that time around. That's just not quite go all the way. There you go, that's what I was trying to show. All the discs are now out of sync and it won't open. So you've got to turn it all the way around to the lock position, and then as you start, there you go, it'll work again. So there we go, just thought I'd do that little interesting video just showing the internals working with the key and with the pick. Thank you very much.